Indiana Tech's campus now utilizes uniFLOW for the campus printing service. The service allows you to upload files and print them anywhere on campus. This means that Macmillan Library's printers and all other printers around campus are connected to your personal queue. To get started, you will need to locate the PIN number sent to your Indiana Tech email address. Once you have located your PIN number, head to the Indiana Tech Let Me In portal. Then, select the Campus Printing Portal app. After you reach the online login, select whether you are faculty and staff or a student. Since you logged in through the Let Me In portal, you should automatically be logged into the printing portal as well. The dashboard will have many useful tools, such as your current printing queue, notifications, and your identities, where you can recover your PIN number. From here, select the Start Printing tab in the left-hand navigation bar. On this page, you can drag in the file you want to print or select Browse to locate and upload the file. Once the file has been uploaded, it will notify you that it has been uploaded successfully. You will be able to view the print job in the queue on the dashboard. Now, to release the print job, you will need to head to the physical printer. For this tutorial, we will be using Macmillan Library's first floor printer. You can log into the printer using your PIN number, Indiana Tech ID card, or your Tech email address and password. After you have logged in, select Secure Print in the center of the screen. From this list, you can select which jobs you would like to print. You are also able to select Edit to change settings, such as color options, single or double-sided pages, and more depending on the printer's functions. Finally, you can now select Job Print to release the job and obtain your print. There are many other options available for printing, but this is one of the most simplified routes.